Posting a valuable blog is important, but promoting it is even more important than you think. Once you create a blog, you will have to learn different ways to promote it. Your blog will not succeed if no one pays attention to it. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share some free and effective ways on how you can promote your blogs so that they can reach and help your targeted audience. Number 1. Give priority to the list of subscribers. Your subscribers are the real followers. They are the ones who are truly getting benefits from your posts, and that's the reason why they are coming back. Email marketing is one of the easiest and most direct way of reaching to the people who are interested in your content. After all, if they visit your blog and opt in to receive emails from you, then you can be sure that they are interested in hearing from you. If your readers will receive each email as a direct note from you, it will be truly helpful in building a relationship between your blog and your readers. Email allows you to make a direct appeal to your audience for promoting your blog. Number 2. Social media marketing. Social media marketing helps to promote every type of content. No matter if it's from a blog or from an e-commerce website, you need to select 2-3 platforms according to your niche from where you will get most of your targeted users. When you share a blog post, say on Facebook or on LinkedIn, write a message in your own words about the post to encourage your audience to read it. You can also join Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups relevant to your niche. These are good platforms to gain recognition for both yourself and your blog. Pro tip: use hashtags with keywords relevant to your post and add them to your posts. These hashtags improve the findability of your blog. Number 3. Use Quora. Don't think Quora is just an answering platform. It is a lot more than that. It answers relevant questions and provides a link back to your website if you have something related to it. Make sure you write answers to help people in the truest sense and not just to promote or market yourself or your blog. Number 4. Email outreach. Did you know almost 92% of the outreach emails sent are overlooked? So it's good to send the right type of outreach emails that not only help you to achieve your objective but also focus on building relationships. Find people from your niche who might be interested in your content. You can either use social media for this or tools like Ahrefs. Use Ahrefs to find websites that link back to your competitors and ask them if they can connect with you as well. Number 5. Blog commenting. This is the easiest way to promote a blog. All you need to do is find a website of your niche and pick an article that is related to any of your posts. On many blogs, you can leave comment along with a link back to your own blog. If you make a useful comment on a blog related to your topic, you can put your blog right in front of the people who you know are interested in your topic. If you are leaving terrible comments on posts just to get the name out there, it will only hurt your blog. Furthermore, poor quality comments are likely to be deleted by the blog owners anyway. If you make a useful comment, people are most likely to visit your website since they will want to hear more about what you have to say. Number 6. Guest posting. Another way to promote your blog is to write guest post. To write guest post, you simply need to contact other blog owners and offer to write a post for their sites. Not all bloggers are open to this idea, but if you can find a few, it is a great deal for everyone. You provide them the quality content and in return, you put a link back to your own blog on that post. If people enjoy your guest post, then they are likely to visit to your blog to read more great content. Number 7. Get your blog on social bookmarking sites. Social bookmarking sites are excellent platforms to share blog posts with new readers. When your content is listed or shared through a bookmarking site, it can result in a massive increase in traffic back to your blog. To start with this blog promotion method, bloggers need to choose a platform to engage and submit their content to that site. Some of the most popular bookmarking websites are Digg, Flipboard, and Pocket. Make the article stand out on the news feeds by writing attractive graphics. If you are new to the world of blogging, you might not know much about the promotion process. Well, after watching this video, you might have good sense of what can be done for effective blog promotion. In any case, now that you know what needs to be done to promote a content, why not put these tips into practice and see how well they can work for you? I just have a question for you in the end. What kind of methods do you find to work well when it comes to promoting blog posts? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to improve the quality of your blogs, check out the link below to get some expert tips for writing quality blog posts to attract visitors. So I'll see you in another video. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.